Well, hello there, Soul City kids. It is great to have each and every one of you here today. Welcome back. And to all of my new friends who are joining us, hello. It is so great to see you, and I could not be more excited that you are here. My name is Courtney, and welcome to my clock workshop. And here in my clock workshop, I tinker with all of these awesome and cool, wonderful clocks to make sure that they all keep running and that they all say tick-tock. So would all of you Soul City kids want to be my handy helpers today in this clock workshop?
Yes!
I'm so excited. You guys said yes, you will be my handy helpers. That is just tickerific because I need all the help I can get with my brand new invention. I'm very excited about it because, Soul City kids, it is the first ever time-traveling clock, which I think is pretty cool. And you see, I designed it so that we can travel to amazing places anywhere in any time. Do you know what time that I've always wanted to visit? Dinosaur times. And so today we're gonna travel back and we're gonna get to see the dinosaurs. How cool is that? Are you guys ready to go? You are ready to go. But before we go, we need to open our time-traveling trunk, which has some stuff that can help us travel to the time period that we're gonna go. And so today, we're looking for some stuff that's gonna help us as we search for dinosaurs from far away, because we don't wanna get too close to the dinosaurs. So, handy helpers, I need your help. What do you think about this snowball here? Do you think that this would in any way help us search and find some dinosaurs? You guys are right. That's a good call because a snowball is not going to be much use to us with dinosaurs. What about this cowboy hat? Do you think that a cowboy hat is going to help us find some dinosaurs? You're right about that too. It's not going to. So let's reach back in the trunk and let's see what else could be in there. What about these binoculars? Do you think that these could help us spot dinosaurs that are far away? Yes, bingo, we have exactly what we need. I think that these are going to help us see lots and lots of dinosaurs. So now that we have our binoculars, we are ready to go. But we need our time-traveling clock to start running. And in order to get it running, I need you guys to repeat after me. So let's practice. When I go like this, that means it's my turn. And when I go like this, it means it's time for you guys to repeat. Do you think you're ready? I think you're ready too. So let's give it a try and let's get this time-traveling clock up and running. Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock.
We have to start our clock.
We have to start our clock.
And now we know.
Now we know.
So off we go.
So off we go.
Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock.
Amazing job, Soul City kids. Whew. You guys, I could time travel again and again, and it would still amaze me, and I don't think I'd ever get used to it, no matter how many times or no matter how many places that we go. And wow, these prehistoric times sure look amazing. I am so glad that we're here. And do you guys see any dinosaurs? Look real hard. But, oh no! Soul City kids, my precious time-traveling clock that I worked so hard on, it seems to be broken, and it seems that there's a great big piece that holds this section together that has just disappeared altogether. So, Soul City kids, the piece that I'm looking for looks very much like a long stick, and it's really big. So we need to find something to put in this clock so we can fix it and we can travel back. So I think we're looking for something that's really long long and really big and helps make dinosaurs stand up tall and strong. Do you guys know what that could be?
A bone.
A bone! You're right! That is such a great idea, Soul City kids. Let's hunt for a dinosaur bone to help fix our clock. Let the hunt begin.
Why, hello there! You surprised me because not too many folks come out here for a visit. But if you are looking for a dinosaur bone, then you have definitely come to the right place. I'll even be happy to help you find one. But before you go, would you have time for a story?
Yeah.
Oh, great! The best way to hear a story out here with the dinosaurs is to click on your listening ears. Do it with me. Click, click. Perfect. Now, you also need to put on your special eyes. Zoop, zoop. You're ready now. My favorite book to read for story time is the Bible. And one of my favorite people to read about is a man named Joseph. Let me hear all of you shout, Joseph.
Joseph!
You sound dynamite. Now, when Joseph was younger, his brothers were not kind to him. They wanted Joseph to go away, so they sold him to a group of traders. These traders then took Joseph to a place called Egypt, where Joseph began working for Potiphar. But you know what? God was with Joseph everywhere he went. God helped Joseph to be kind to the traders and to Potiphar. God also helped Potiphar be kind to Joseph. Let's all clap for Joseph and Potiphar. That's it. But while Joseph was working for Potiphar, someone else was not kind to him. They lied about him and had Joseph put in jail. But God helped Joseph be kind to the guard in charge and to all the other prisoners. The guard liked Joseph so much that he put Joseph in charge of all the other people in jail. There were 2 men in jail with Joseph who had very strange dreams. God helped Joseph understand their dreams. So Joseph was kind to the men and explained what their dreams meant. One of the men that Joseph helped got out of jail, but for 2 whole years, he forgot about how Joseph had been kind to him, and he didn't help Joseph get out of jail. Until one day, when he was working for the king of Egypt, the man heard that the king had a strange dream. Then the man remembered how Joseph was kind, and he helped him understand his dream. So he told the king about Joseph, and then Joseph finally got to leave jail to help the king. Joseph was probably sad that he had to wait a long time for the man to be kind to him, and he was probably scared when he first went to jail. But God always helped Joseph be kind to others. Friends, God will help me and you be kind to others too. If you can be kind, let me hear you say this after me. Be kind.
Be kind.
Wow! Thanks for taking the time to hear my story. And I almost forgot. Here's the bone you're looking for. I hope you have a dynamite trip back home. Goodbye!
We did it! We got what we need to fix my time-traveling clock. I think that this dinosaur bone is probably going to be perfect, but let's just see. Let's test it and see if it can fix it. All right, let's put it in the time-traveling clock, replace that piece that had disappeared. There we go. I think it's just right. And it feels like it's working already, so let's give it a try. I need your help, Soul City kids, to help me count down the last couple seconds before we have to travel back. So let's all count down together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Phew! Oh, we made it just in time. We did it, handy helpers. Thank you so much for your help. And let's celebrate that we fixed my time-traveling clock by singing and dancing and celebrating together. So I need you guys, wherever you might be at, to stand up on your feet because we cannot celebrate sitting down. So go ahead and stand up.
got time to travel.
We're gonna do what's right.
We're gonna love everybody.
And we'll always be kind.
Jesus, I will do what you say. I will obey. Jesus, I will do what you say. I will obey. I want to love, love, love. I want to be kind. I want to obey God and do what's right. I want to love, love, love. I want to be kind. I want to obey God and do what's right. Micah 6:8.
Micah 6:8.
Micah 6:8.
Micah 6:8.
We've got time to travel.
We're gonna do what's right.
We're gonna love everybody.
And we'll always be kind.
Jesus, I will do what you say. I will obey. I want to love, love, love. I want to be kind. I want to obey God and do what's right. I want to love, love, love. I want to be kind. I want to obey God and do what's right. Micah 6:8.
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 You guys did a great job singing. You sounded amazing. And you can all go ahead and have a seat now. And today we had a very busy day discovering that God will help us be kind to others even when things seem kind of scary or when we're feeling sad. And handy helpers, you have done a great job being kind today. You were so kind. And I want you to remember that it's important, not just today in our workshop to be kind, but to be kind all the time, wherever you go, to your friends, to your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, any of the grown-ups that live in your house, anyone that you meet. It's very important to be kind to them. So I want to practice saying that. I'm going to have you guys repeat after me. When I go like this, it's my turn. And when I go like this, I need you guys to say, be kind, as loud as you possibly can. All right, are you ready? Be kind.
Be kind.
Whoa, you guys were so loud. You said that so loud and proud. You are going to remember to be kind. I just know that you are. And Soul City kids, you did an amazing job today. Thank you so much for helping me. I could not have fixed my time traveling clock without each and every one of you. It was so kind of you to help. Remember, keep being kind, and I will see you back so soon for our next episode. And who knows where we might time travel to next. So you got to come right back here to find out. But until our next adventure, so long for now.